Welcome back to my channel. Please come again. Welcome back.
Hello, good morning. Today is November 29th, 2023, and I am going to try to get those potatoes out of the ground. Look at the ice on this brick. It's really the first frost, huh? The news didn't say it was going to be the first frost, it just said it was going to be cold. But I think this is the first frost. And we did get snow, a little flurries yesterday. I was so happy. Ah, just see flurries. It's awesome. But here are my potatoes. I'm going to dig down this mound and see what we get. So, yes. Let's see. Ooh, this may be small, but look, guys. I got one potato. I think this is the original one I put in there. All these little ones, I'm going to replant them somewhere. So I'm trying not to disturb them too much. I didn't expect them to be big. It's because the type of fertilizer I use was high in nitrogen. And I know you're not supposed to use high nitrogen fertilizer on potatoes. My hands are getting cold. I'm trying not to break. As you can see, this shovel went through a lot. So I'm trying not to snap it in half. I've had this one since I started gardening. It's been to different spots. Each garden plot I had, this came with me. So this is the longest one I've kept. So I don't want to try. I'm trying not to damage it too much, but I think it's on this last leg. Let's see what's in this one. I don't know if this is, I think this is, I'm not sure. But I'm going to keep it on there. Because if it is, I'm going to pop it back in. I mean, it was out here all summer, so. Let's see what's this one. Whoa, look at this. Okay. Look at that one. I'm gonna replant this one again. Yeah. This is my old soil, my guinea pig bedding that turned into compost over the years. And this stuff on top is just aspen bedding. This is some good stuff. I guess that's why this bed is not frozen. Because where I put my parsnips, I don't have the bedding on it and I can't even dig it up. Okay. Oh, here we go. I planted some blue ones, but I can't barely see them. Okay. Here are the blue ones. I don't know where the... I know this is probably going to come up again next year, but it's alright. I want to make sure I use the correct fertilizer. But I'm going to keep a lookout because I'll probably just dig them up and put them someplace else. That's all. I'm going to prepare this bed for my brassicas and for my spinach and Swiss chard. Ooh, look at that one. These are red flesh and red skin. That's what these are. I like a mixture in my food. And I've been growing these for good. These are I didn't buy any new ones yet. So these are the same ones that I've been growing for years in the containers. And just put them in the ground this time. But I think I'm going to put them back in the containers. But look at that. Yeah. I think these are acclimatized to my area now. Because I've been growing them for years. I think I first started 2014. These same ones. So I'm happy. And I just gotta fertilize them right and see what size I get from these. Oh, well, I'm gonna get back to you and see. I'll see what else I get. I'm gonna show you when I'm done. Hold on. Woo! Back hurt. Two for one. Now we're gonna see what we get from this container. This is my son's container here. I'm excited. A little bit too excited because I'm out of breath. Be careful.
Yeah, bricks in here?
Kind of icy, huh? Yeah, that's ice.
Good grief. It's like shards. It's wet here.
How deep did you plant it?
Like you told me to.
I don't remember
Wrist
what it
full, I
was.
guess. Ah, wormy.
What color?
The worm?
No.
I don't know. I don't really know. I don't know which one took flight. Don't look like anything here. It don't look like much of anything. There's another wormy.
I hope the wormies didn't eat it. That would be bad. Nope, there's one. We got one.
One potato.
Ha, 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 ha.
What is this? Nothing, a leaf. All that's for one potato?
That's how we robbery.
And a tiny potato, too.
That's why I don't like putting them in big containers. I just put them in the small ones. Seem like they do better.
That's not what you told me before.
Yeah, the ones I had in there before was in a, like, I had them in here too, but I had more than one, Travis.
I had 4.
Oh, you did. You had more than one too.
Well, that's like one potato.
Just don't give up. Try
That's
again.
a bummer. Why?
Because everybody fails the first or second, third time. They
That's the
don't
skin
give up.
of the old one, I think.
Oh, yep.
Wormy.
Well, you sure enough can grow worms. Not funny. Sorry.
Oh. Don't look like I got any potatoes. Grow potatoes, they say. It'll be great, they say. And I get nothing. Sorry, I get 1.
I was going to say one is better than none. You know how many people...
1 is equal to none.
There's people that's grown potatoes and don't get one.
I wanted to feed my family with this.
You mean yourself?
No, my family, me and my wife.
Well, you're going to try again. Well, she going to probably tell you the same thing. Try again. All right, guys. We will try again.
Pointless.
Last look of what's going on. Whew. Did a lot of work. We did some harvesting. And I did some planting. I didn't put nothing but soil in these bags. Soil all the way down. I dug up everything back there. My parsnip. I'm so proud of my parsnip. Oh, it's gonna be good. Yeah. My son is leaving, but before I go, I gotta move these containers and put them over in this row here. So that's what I gotta do real quick. But I planted the Jerusalem artichoke roots. I planted back and see what's gonna happen. I don't know. But yeah, this is it. Because I used the wrong fertilizer, my spinach is going to seed. Yeah. But this is what's going on. Next week I'm coming to get my radishes and the lettuce. Yes. I think my leaf died. I had 4. I only see 1 now. No, 2. I see 2. Okay. All right. I planted more. We'll see. I bid you adieu.
This is my potato harvest. Horrible, I know. But it's something. It's better to have something than a whole lot of nothing. So I'm happy with this. I will try again. And this one right here, that's my son's potato. He only had one. I told him don't give up. Try again. This is my carrot harvest for today. I harvested all the carrots that was in the bag. And I got more. I think I got 2 more rows left. We'll see how they do over winter. My parsnip I harvested earlier today. Look at this. This is what I was waiting for all this time. If some broke off at the end, but that's okay. This is my last parsnips I got out there. The last one. I'm not happy. I'm gonna plant the whole pack this time. Y'all come back now, you hear? Ciao.